Welcome back to Car Center, the place where innovation meets excitement. And today we are diving into something that feels almost unreal. Imagine a future where your daily drive, your weekend getaway, and your home on wheels all merge into one seamless masterpiece. That future is here, and it's called the 2026 Honda Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a complete lifestyle upgrade. A rolling sanctuary that blends Honda's legendary engineering with next-level comfort and modern adventure culture. Let's start with what makes this machine so unbelievable. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is built for people who don't want life to slow down. Whether you're an explorer, a traveler, or someone who dreams of living life beyond the traditional boundaries, this vehicle has been designed around freedom. The moment you walk up to it, you feel the difference. Honda has completely reimagined the exterior with a bold, futuristic silhouette that looks more like a concept model than something already rolling onto the roads. The body lines are sleek yet strong, giving the motorhome a presence that demands attention anywhere it goes. LED light bars curve around the frame like strokes of modern art, and the aerodynamic profile helps the vehicle glide through highways with surprisingly quiet elegance. But the real magic begins when you step inside. Honda has treated the interior as a luxurious smart home rather than a camper. As soon as the door slides open, you're greeted with soft ambient lighting that adjusts automatically based on time of day. The materials inside feel premium yet minimalistic, capturing that perfect balance of comfort and sophistication. The living area features a modular layout, allowing you to transform the space depending on your needs. Want a cozy lounge for movie nights? You got it. Need a working space to edit videos or manage your business on the road? The fold-out desk and high-speed connectivity system turn the motorhome into a mobile office instantly? What surprises most people is the kitchen setup. Honda really didn't hold back here, The 2026 model comes with an impressively compact, yet fully efficient kitchen zone that feels straight out of a luxury apartment. You get induction cooking, a smart fridge that maintains temperature zones, and storage that maximizes every inch without ever feeling cramped. On top of that, the onboard water purification system means you can travel far from the city without sacrificing clean drinking water. Then comes the bedroom. It's a space Honda designed with relaxation as the top priority. The 2026 Honda Motorhome includes a memory foam bed that folds into the wall when not in use, creating a surprisingly large walking area. Above you, a panoramic skylight stretches almost the full length of the roof, giving you breathtaking night views and natural morning light. Whether you're parked near mountains, beaches, forests, or even your own driveway, the interior feels like nature is part of the experience. And of course, Honda being Honda, technology is everywhere in this motorhome, but not in a complicated way. Everything is controlled through a single integrated digital system. Lighting, the climate, entertainment, security, battery management. You can control all of it from a touchscreen panel or directly through the Honda Connect app on your phone. The 2026 model introduces voice-activated automation as well. If you want the lights dimmed, curtains closed, or AC adjusted, just say the word. Now let's talk power, because a motorhome is only as good as its ability to take you where you want to go. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is powered by Honda's latest hybrid powertrain, designed for fuel efficiency and long-distance driving. You get strong torque for climbing mountain roads and smooth performance on highways. The regenerative energy system charges the onboard battery pack, giving you enough power to run essentials even when the engine isn't running. Honda claims this model can support off-grid living for days depending on usage, which is a huge win for travelers who love remote destinations. Safety is another area where Honda sets itself apart. The 2026 motorhome comes loaded with advanced safety features including 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a new auto stabilization system designed specifically for larger vehicles. Whether you're navigating tight campsites or cruising on open roads, you feel a sense of control and confidence that's hard to match. Comfort, technology, power, it's all here, But what really sets this vehicle apart is the lifestyle it creates. The 2026 Honda Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a home, a workspace, a travel partner, and a personal escape pod all in one. It's for the people who want more from life than routines. It's for families who want unforgettable road trips. It's for creators who want to shoot, edit, and upload from anywhere. And it's for adventurers who feel alive when the road becomes their home. If you've ever dreamed of waking up to new horizons every day, of living freely without sacrificing comfort, or of traveling without limits, the 2026 Honda Motorhome might just be the most exciting vehicle you'll see this decade. This is Honda reminding the world that innovation isn't just about speed or power. It's about expanding the way we live. Thanks for watching Car Center. If you enjoyed this detailed look into the future of mobile living, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts below. The future of travel just